Are you ready for IELTS? Is it the right time for you to register for this globally recognized English test? And if you are ready, how would you register? Stay tuned and find out. Earlier on, we learned about the importance of IELTS and the facilities that the British Council has for you to make this test feel like an enjoyable learning experience. In this video, we will describe the process of booking an IELTS test when you are ready. IELTS is popular among students who want to study abroad for different academic programs. It is also popular for those who want to work or immigrate to an English-speaking country. And even if you're not currently studying or working anywhere, the IELTS can help you get work opportunities in Bangladesh. So how can you book your IELTS with the British Council? It's fairly easy. To book a test online, first, visit the British Council website and choose which type of IELTS you want to take and book a test date. You can also book a test by visiting your nearest British Council IELTS registration center and simply take a registration form and choose a test date. On your registration form, you can choose to take your test on paper or on a computer. You can also choose your test dates and the location along with your city. And oh yes, do not forget to keep your passport with you. You will be required to provide your passport number in order to complete the registration form. In the end, you can pay within 48 hours in 3 ways: online, via MasterCard, Visa or Amex debit or credit cards, bKash or Rocket. Pay at your nearest IELTS registration center or pay at any Standard Chartered Bank Service 1 branch. You will receive a confirmation email within 5 days before your test, which will carry your test time and other details as well. So see, it is very simple and easy to register for IELTS with the British Council. Let me tell you that the British Council is also very flexible about your entire registration process. You can reschedule, change, cancel, or order a refund for IELTS, and the British Council can arrange that if you let them know in the earliest. In the next video, find out the types of IELTS with me and know how the test is scored. Till next time, stay focused. To book your IELTS, visit www.britishcouncil.org.bd.